Volvo and safety are one. It is one of our core values.
In terms of the safety features that we offer, we focus more on the things that can assist the driver.
Adaptive cruise control, pilot assist, emergency braking, lane keeping assist, we've got lane changing assist, and then the driver support system.
The camera monitoring system replaces the standard mirrors. It has got a wider field of vision. The driver is able to see a long distance, even in darker spaces.
It's not only to protect the driver, which is important, but also the road users around the vehicle.